OrCam Read 3 has 4 buttons. The round button near the camera is the trigger button. It is the main button that is used for the device's operation. The plus and minus buttons control the volume and reading pace. In the center, you will find 4 LED lights that indicate the device's battery level. The long button is the power button. Near the back of the device, you will find the USB charging port. On the edge of the device, there is an eyelet loop to tie the lanyard provided in the box. On the other side, you will find the audio port for wired earphones. On the bottom of the device, there is a single LED. When it's blue, the device is ready for use. When it's green, the device is connected to a Wi-Fi network.